Okay, so this question is 11.53 from our textbook. It says to draw structural formulas for cis and trans 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. So the first thing I'm going to worry about here is let's draw the cyclohexane part. So a cyclo indicating it's a closed carbon ring, and hexane meaning 6. So we're going to first draw that. Forgive my artwork as we move into this drawing here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so some lines are darker than others. You know, that's just the app. Don't worry about that. It's not indicating a double bond or anything like that. Okay, so this is my cyclohexane. And now I'm going to worry about the dimethyl part. So it's 1, 2, so that's indicating to us that our methyl groups are in carbon 1 and carbon 2. So I'm just going to incorporate my methyl group here on carbon 1 and my other methyl group here on carbon 2. I've decided to go clockwise in where my carbon 1 and carbon 2 are, but you could just as well put it on the other side and go counterclockwise. It would still be the same thing. So notice here that what I've decided to do is that my methyl groups on carbon 1 and carbon 2, they are both drawn in an upright position. So because they're both facing the same way, this would be the drawing for our cis. Okay, so this would be cis 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Okay, and so if we were to then draw it again as trans 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane, one of my methyl groups is going to be facing the other way. So if we just clear the board here, let me just erase this. Okay, and we're going to draw that structure again. One, two, three, four, five, 6. Okay, so I have 6 sides for that. So trans, again, it's still going to be 1, 2. So I'm still going to have my methyl group up this way, CH3 for comma 1. But for my other group, I'm just going to change colors so that we can see it a little bit more accurately. It would actually be coming down the opposite way and would present itself kind of down back to facing backwards. So if we were to imagine our first methyl group on carbon 1 here would be kind of pointing completely upwards towards like a sky, if that's how we're going to visualize it. Then on carbon 2, the trans would be pointing towards the ground. Okay, so because they're in opposite directions, okay, this would then be trans 1, 2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Forgive the writing, it's hard, it's difficult to write with this app. So I hope this helps a bit. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.